Hello, what can I help you with today?
Hello, can you tell me what is WebRTC?
Hey, WebRTC is a technology that lets you send video, audio, and data directly between browsers without needing a server in the middle. It's what powers video calls and real-time communication online.
Nice. And do you know how can I use Vonage Video Connector to build WebRTC applications that support video agents?
Yeah, Vonage Video API gives you pre-built SDKs and tools to add video calling to your app, and you can integrate AI video agents to handle customer interactions directly in those video sessions.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions about WebRTC or Vonage. Happy to help.